Aeroplane by Wunderhorse is played in standard tuning without a capo. We're going to start the verse off with an A major chord. I'm playing it here with the second, third and fourth fingers, but it's more common to play it with the first, second and third. This is just my personal preference, how I like to play the A chord. I'm going to strum down, 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 down. 1, 2, and 3. So down, down, down. And then we're going to take the pinky finger off, or the third finger, depending on how you're playing this chord, to make an A sus2 chord. So we just have the B string open here, and we're strumming down, up, down. So it's 3 and 4 and A, down, down, up, down, off, up, down. Down, down, up, down, off, up, down. Then we'll go to an E major chord, and the strumming is very similar here. It's down, down, up, and on the next down strum, we're going to add our pinky finger to the second fret of the G just for one strum. So down, down, up, down with the finger on, and then off, down, 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 on, off, down, down. Okay, so the A to A sus2 to E is the A, down, 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 off, down, E, down, on. Then we go to a D sus2 chord. And for this we have, it's like a normal D chord, just with the high E string ringing open, so that second finger's not playing there. And we've got down, 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 up. That's the first bar, and we have the second bar of the same chord. So down, 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 up. And then the next down, we go to a normal D chord with the second finger on the high E. Then we come off. So for the D chord there, it's down, 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 on, off, down, down. And that's the whole verse. So slowly it's A, off, E, on, off, D sus2, on, played on repeat. For the chorus, we're going to start off with a D sus2 chord, immediately hammering on to the second fret, then taking it back off for the D sus2, down, down. So hammer on, down, down, then to an A chord on a down strum, down. So we have the D chord, hammer, down, down, A, up, down, then to a normal E. Same E pattern as the verse, and that's the chorus, the main part of the chorus played 3 times. And then to come out with the chorus, we go to a B minor add 11 chord, which is basically a B minor bar chord with the first finger kind of tilted. So we're only really playing the second fret on the A string here, and the high E string is ringing open, and the strumming is very similar to what we've played for the rest of the song. It's down, 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 down. One more time. Down, 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 down. And then to an E, but this time I don't usually add the pinky finger, so just a standard E chord here. Down, down, down. Okay, so that little outro from the chorus is like a B minor add 11 for 1 bar, E. And the whole chorus progression is that D, A to E. 3 times before we go to that B minor add 11, E. For the second chorus, we play the chorus kind of back to back, so there's a second chorus and then a third chorus, and then we go to this pattern, which is played as like the outro for the entire rest of the song. So it's the B minor add 11 chord, but this time for 2 bars with the same strumming pattern from before. Down, 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 up twice. And then we go to the kind of A sus2, E part from the verse pattern. So A, down, down, up, down, off, up, down, E, down, finger on, and then we just play that on repeat. Wunderhorse tutorials, please check out this link here. Thanks for watching, happy practicing, and take care.